Okay guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Vira Juniarti. In this video, I want to explain about variables and their types, about research methodology. First, categorical variables. Categorical variables represent groupings of some kind. They are sometimes recorded as number, but the number represent categories rather than actual amount of things. And uh, this is three types of categorical variables. First, binary, and the second is nominal, and the last is ordinal variable. Okay. First, binary variables. Binary variables is a simple version of a categorical variable. This type of variables leads to distinct, mutually exclusive choice. For example, true or false and yes or no. And, and this is example of binary variables. Do you like banana? And the answer is yes or no and or true or false. And the second example is win or loss in a football game. Okay, next. The second is nominal variables. Nominal variables is a categorical variables that has more than two categories to select from is called a nominal variable. For example of nominal variables is how do you describe yourself? African American, not of Hispanic origin, American Indian, or Alaska Native, or Asian, or Pacific Islander. And the last is ordinal variables. Another version of a categorical variables is an ordinal variables, which has categories that can be put in logical order. However, ordinal data don't tell us about the differences between the categories. The differences between the categories could be unknown or inconsistent. And this is example of ordinal variables. Example is a participant might be asked to describe their income as low, medium, or high. While these categories can be ordered in a logical way, there is no determinant increment between each. We know that high is more than medium, but we but we don't know by how much. And the other is some example of ordinal variable is finding place in a range or rating scale responsive in a survey. Okay guys, I think it's enough about explain three types of categorical variable. Thanks for your attention and thank you.